Ian Matthew Morris is a British historian. He is currently Willard Professor of Classics at Stanford University. Education and career. Morris grew up in the United Kingdom. He attended Alleynes Comprehensive School in Stone, Staffordshire, and studied ancient history and archaeology at the University of Birmingham. He gained his PhD at Cambridge University. From 1987 through 1995. He taught at the University of Chicago, and since 1995 he has been at Stanford. Since joining Stanford in 1995, he has served as Associate Dean of Humanities and Sciences, Chair of the Classics Department, and Director of the Social Science History Institute. He was one of the founders of the Stanford Archaeology Center and has served 2 terms as its director. He has published extensively on the history and archaeology of the ancient Mediterranean and on world history. He has also won a Dean's Award for Excellence in Teaching. Between 2000 and 2007, he directed Stanford University's excavation at Monte Polizzo, Sicily. Ian Morris has been awarded research fellowships from the John Simon Guggenheim Memorial Foundation, Hoover Institution, National Endowment for the Humanities, Center for Hellenic Studies in Washington, D.C., and Institute for Research in the Humanities, University of Wisconsin-Madison. He is also a corresponding Fellow of the British Academy and has been awarded honorary degrees by the PAUW University and Birmingham University. In 2012 his work was the subject of a lengthy profile in the Chronicle of Higher Education. He delivered the Tanner Lectures on Human Values at Princeton University in 2012. Books. His 2010 book, Why the West Rules for Now, compares East and West across the last 15,000 years, arguing that physical geography rather than culture, religion, politics, genetics, or great men explains Western domination of the globe. The Economist has called it an important book, one that challenges, stimulates and entertains. Anyone who does not believe there are lessons to be learned from history should start here. The book won several literary awards, including the 2011 Penn Center USA Literary Award for Creative Non-Fiction, and was named as one of the books of the year by Newsweek, Foreign Affairs, Foreign Policy, The New York Times, and a number of other newspapers. It has been translated into 13 languages. The Measure of Civilization is a companion volume to Why the West Rules for Now. It provides details of the evidence and statistical methods that Morris employed in constructing the Social Development Index that he used in Why the West Rules to compare long-term Eastern and Western history. The International Studies Association and Social Science History Association devoted panels to discussing the book at the 2013 annual meetings. The book is being translated into Chinese. War, What Is It Good For? Conflict and the Progress of Civilization from Primates to Robots was published by Farrar, Straus and Amp Giroux in the US and Profile Books in Britain in April 2014. In it Morris argues that we now have enough evidence to trace the history of violence across many thousands of years, and when we do so, we discover a startling fact. For all its horrors, over the last 10,000 years, war has made the world safer and richer, because it is virtually the only way people have found to create large, internally pacified societies that then drive down the rate of violent death. The lesson of the last 10 millennia of military history, he argues, is that the way to end war is by learning to manage it, not by trying to wish it out of existence. Morris also devotes a chapter to the 1974 to 1978 Gombe Chimpanzee War in Tanzania. The German translation of the book, Krieg, Wazuergut ist, was published by Campus Verlag in October 2013. 5 more translations are being prepared. Awards and honors. 2014 California Book Awards Non-Fiction Finalist for War. What is it good for? Bibliography. Burial and Ancient Society. Cambridge, 1987. ISBN 978-0-521-38738-5. Death Ritual and Social Structure in Classical Antiquity. Cambridge, 1992. ISBN 978-0-521-37611-2. Editor. Classical Greece, Ancient Histories and Modern Archaeologies, Cambridge, 1994, ISBN 978-0-521-45678-4. Co-editor, with Barry Powell, A New Companion to Homer, E. J. Brill, 1997, ISBN 978-9004-09989-0. Co-editor, with Kurt Raaflaub, Democracy 2500. Questions and Challenges, Kendall Hunt, 1997, ISBN 978-0-7872-4466-8. Archaeology as Cultural History, Blackwell, 2000, ISBN 978-0-631-19602-0. The Greeks, History, Culture, and Society, with Barry Powell, Prentice Hall, 1st ed. 2005, 2nd ed. 2009, ISBN 978-0-13-921156-0. Co-editor, with Joe Manning, The Ancient Economy, Evidence and Models, Stanford, 2005, ISBN 978-0-8047-57553. Co-editor, with Walter Scheidel and Richard Saller, The Cambridge Economic History of the Greco-Roman World, Cambridge, 2007, ISBN 978-0-521-78053-7. Co-editor, with Walter Scheidel, of The Dynamics of Ancient Empires, Oxford, 2009, ISBN 978-0-19-537158-1. Why the West Rules for Now, The Patterns of History, and What They Reveal About the Future. Farrar, Straus and Giroux, 2010. Profile Books, 2010. ISBN 978-0-374-29002-3. Social Development, 2010. A free e-book detailing the Social Development Index used in Why the West Rules for Now, The Measure of Civilization. How Social Development Decides the Fate of Nations. Princeton University Press, 2013. Profile Books, 2013. ISBN 978-0-691-15568-5. War, What Is It Good For? Conflict and the Progress of Civilization from Primates to Robots. Farrar, Straus and Giroux, 2014. Profile Books, 2014. ISBN 978-0-374-28600-2. Forages, Farmers, and Fossil Fuels.